In this video, we're going to install Docker with snap command. First, we can check our Ubuntu version. We can use lsb_release-a command. As you see, we use Ubuntu 22.10. Next, we should use sudo apt install docker command to install the Docker. Now Snap is downloading Docker package from Snap Store and then it's trying to install it. If everything goes well, you can see a message that mentions Docker is installed. Okay, now we can test one of Docker commands, for instance, docker ps. Oops, as you see we got an error here. We got this error because Docker command installed with root user, and we can't run its commands with our user. We should solve this issue. To solve this issue, we should create a new group with Docker name. To do this, we use this command sudo add group --system docker. Then we should add the current user to this new Docker group with this command. Sudo add user $user docker. And to assign this new group to current session, we have to use this command norp docker, and now we execute docker ps command again, but wait. Still we have the issue. We should stop and start Docker instance with snap. To do this, we should run this command first: sudo snap disable docker and then sudo snap enable docker. Now we can execute docker ps command and yes, it works. We can test other Docker commands.